Hey everybody, it's time to work on our left eye. That's this eye right here. And before we get started, we're going to start doing a couple of things. We're going to add some guidelines to help us out. Have you ever drawn one really awesome eye and then the other one is either really big or really small and you just want to throw your pencil up in the air because you're just so frustrated? So these are some of the tricks to fixing these issues. So the first thing we need to figure out is how far apart your eyes are. So you're going to go like this with your pencil. You're going to line one end up, and then you're going to move your finger over, and you're going to use the pencil as a measurement. Your eye is now a unit of that measurement. Instead of an inch, we're using an eye. And then we are going to move our pencil over and figure out how many eyes, space, there are between the eyeballs. If you look, Jennifer Aniston, it's a little bit less than 1. Yours might be a little more than 1. It's usually around 1. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to measure my drawn eye. I'm going to slide my pencil over. I'm going to mark 1, and then I'm going to make it a little less than 1, just like I saw. I'm going to do a straight line. You do the same with your eye in the mirror and draw that straight line. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to draw basically a box over here so we know how big our eye needs to be before we even start drawing. It's going to be a lot easier for you to do this than for me. Why? You're looking at yourself in the mirror straight on. That means you're looking like directly in front of you. If you look, Jennifer Aniston is looking to the side. The way I can tell this is this nostril is a little smaller than this one, and this eye is actually a little smaller than this one. Okay. So for you, what you're going to do, if you're looking straight on, is you are just going to drag a nice straight line over, and another straight line over, and then you are going to measure your eye and make the end of the box like so. So you have a nice, perfect box to draw your eyeball in. I'm going to do it differently. So what I'm doing is I am going to do a straight line from corner to corner, tear duct to tear duct. It goes up slightly, so I'm going to make mine go up slightly. And then I'm going to do the same thing from eye to eye. And then I'm going to measure my eye. So now what you're going to do next is you are going to do the same steps you did over here, but you're doing it here. You have your box to help you out. So that means, for example, step 1 is we're going to do that top lash line. And I'm going to start at the corner because I marked the corner. And then I'm going to go where I see the tear duct. And then I'm going to fill in that curved line that I see. I know the curved line has to be as tall as the top of that box. We got to adjust things if it's not fitting in the box. The next thing I'm going to do is the lower lash line. Same thing. Make sure it fits in the box. And since it's in the box, I know that I'm set. It's a little outside or a little inside. That means I need to make an adjustment. Just like before, you then are going to do your iris. I'm looking at the white shape. It's this shape right here. I'm going to do the other white shape here because of the crinkle. It might help to shade this black area in. Next, we're going to do the iris and the pupil. And then I'm going to do the crease line. You can barely see it on this side, darkness. And then once you have that done, you can erase your box. And then we're going to do the eyebrow, just like before. Set your pencil up so it lines up so you can see where the eyebrow starts in comparison to your eye. Eyebrow here starts a little on the inside. This is slightly higher than this one, so that means I'm going to go slightly higher. And I'm going to look at this shape to do the bottom line. If you got hair going over things, feel free to add that in. And then you're going to do the actual shape of the eyebrow. Next thing you're going to do is your eyelashes. So don't forget that you want your eyelashes to curve. So they need to start from the inside and go bend around. Inside and bend around. And there you have an eyeball.